how to update the YouTube app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep YouTube up to date on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Apps and Device to open the App Management screen. At this point, tap on Updates Available to see all the apps that have pending updates. And the next step, scroll through the list and look for YouTube. Following this, if an update is available, tap on Update next to YouTube to start downloading the latest version. Once done, wait for the update to finish installing. Finally, open YouTube to confirm that it has been successfully updated to the latest version. And that's it. If this guide helped you update your YouTube app, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.